So in this particular setup for 11.2, we are, say we're given a table, and from the table we have to come up with the vertex form. So let's say we have a table of the following. Let's say it's 1980, 1990, 2000, and 2010. And then the data for y is 7, 77, 283, 646. Now we're supposed to come up with the y equal to a times the x minus h squared plus k. That's what we want. So we can just pick one of the points to be our h and k. And we probably would assume that this one would be the one because it looks like it's the lowest in my setup. So I'm going to make this the h and the k. So my h and k is going to become 1980, comma 7. So far my equation is y equal to a times x minus 1980 squared plus 7. And so now I need to find the a. I don't know the a. That's where I can pick a second point. So I'm going to pick this point. Point 7, well, not 7, 1990, comma 7. So this will be my x and this will be my y. So I have 7 equal to a, and that's 1990 minus 1980 plus 7. Okay? And so my first step is to get a by itself. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract these two because that would give me 10. And then I can square that, so that's 100. So 100a plus 7. And so then actually this is not 7, this is 77, isn't it? 77. See, because it's 1990 and 77. So 77. So I minus 7 from both sides. Okay, I get 70 equal to 100. And then I'll go ahead and divide by the 100 to get a equal to 0.7. So now I have my final vertex form equation. And that is y equal to, I have my a now, it's 0.7 times x minus 1980 squared plus 7. And so I can check this on my calculator to see if that works. Let's go ahead and do that. So let's go to the y equals, clear it, type in 0.7. Okay, and then we get x minus 1980, right? And oops, daisy, that's not 80. This is 80. Okay, and in parentheses to the power of 2, and then it's plus 7. Okay, so now I could graph it, but I don't really need to, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the table. So let's say I wanted to go to 1990. So I could go to second table set and set it to 1990. Okay, and then go to second table, and it'll tell me my value. Oh, it's 77. If I go to second table set and say I really want to start at 2000, okay, then I go to second table, and I see that I'm really darn close to 283. So it's pretty darn close. Not perfect, but it's pretty close. Okay, and so this is basically how you would go about trying to come up with an equation where when you don't know what a is. Let's say let's go ahead and do the next one. Second table, let's go to 2010. Okay, and we'll go to second table, and again it's pretty close to the 264. So this would be the way we would do this for right now on how to find the vertex form.